Most people get this wrong. They assume Ladder is just another buy now pay later app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Ladder combines instant wage access, installment payments, and budgeting tools in a single platform. When used responsibly, it can help you manage short-term expenses without the high-interest traps of traditional payday loans. Here's how Ladder works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is perfect for unexpected bills or urgent purchases. Second, you can split eligible purchases into installments over a few weeks, paying a flat fee per installment rather than interest. This makes your costs predictable and easier to budget. Ladder also provides spending dashboards, reminders, and alerts so you can see upcoming payments and monitor your cash flow. These tools reduce the risk of missed payments and encourage responsible usage. The downside, overuse can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly add up, and relying too heavily on Ladder may mask deeper financial challenges rather than addressing them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances you can repay on time. 2. Enable reminders for all upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency buffer to reduce dependency. Who benefits most from Ladder? People with steady income who occasionally need a cash boost or want help splitting larger purchases. Irregular income or poor repayment discipline could make Ladder more expensive than helpful. In conclusion, Ladder in 2026 is a practical tool, but only if used wisely. Treat it as a short-term solution. Track your fees and stay disciplined. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and money management tips.